Hello, everyone. We are a manufacturer of 3D printing materials. Manufacturer.
This is our 3D printing filament, which there are various colors and materials.
Such as
TPU,
carbon fiber, these printing wires. We are the source factory. We have stock, they price in our price, we have stock. On the platform, on the Amazon platform, and our Tokyo station.
We sell this product on Amazon platform.
This filament.
We are the manufacturer of filament.
And these are our printed products, printed from these wires. This printed product.
If you need this 3D printing consumables and wires,
Please private.